Hey everybody, Gary with Basecamp Trading. Let's take a look at gold this morning. You see that gold had actually changed trend in the night. Actually, yesterday during the day is when it started. You can see we put in a bottom here, and then we started making higher lows and higher highs. And that continued right on through the Asian session and the London session. And then when we came in this morning on the US session, we were right in here. And you can see that we had put in a hammer right here. This bar left this bottoming tail. The entire body of this bar was buying. We made this push up, and then we had a little consolidation doji right here, and this is where the old gold ghost pit was opening, was on this bar right here. So volume was coming into the market. We left this big bottoming tail close right up here at the top. 5 and the 13 were crossing to the upside. And then we had this really strong bullish candle that triggered this to the upside. And you can see at the same time we were making higher highs and higher lows on price, momentum was confirming that. We were making higher highs and higher lows on momentum also. And as this bar was triggering, momentum was confirming our move to the upside, and gold just pushed higher really pretty much the entire rest of the day. Pushed up, we hit significantly overvalued on these couple bars here, and they found resistance right at the 200 EMA. And that was the one thing about this trade that was a little bit out of alignment, is the 50 EMA was still under the 200. But again, price was making higher highs, higher lows, momentum making higher highs, higher lows. Price had broken above the cloud. 5 and the 13 were in a buy phase, and we had some really strong price action confirming push to the upside, and that's what we got. We triggered this doji to the upside, found resistance at the 200, backed off, found resistance at the 200 several more times, set up another bull flag, triggered to the upside, got a nice push off of that, another bull flag, triggered to the upside, and you could see we were just moving higher throughout the entire day, right up until the close. And as you know, in the room, we've been trading the 5-minute chart because the Unirenko charts have been so volatile. And you can see that breakout on the 30-minute chart as the old gold ghost pit was opening actually coincided with this compression breakout on the 5-minute chart. And again, we've been trading the 5-minute chart in the room. Because volatility has been so high, the Renko bars are just flying all over the place. And you can see, same thing, we're making higher highs, higher lows on the 5-minute chart. We broke the cloud, made the pullback, and we know that's typical price action. You break the cloud, make a pullback, and then we look for the continuation. And that's exactly what happens. We broke the cloud, went into consolidation, broke out of consolidation to the upside. At the same time, we were triggering that doji on the 30-minute chart to the upside. And again, this just cruised higher all day. Never had a close underneath the 34 EMA. On the 5-minute chart, instead of the yellow chart being the 30, or the yellow line being the 34, on the 5-minute chart, the pink line is the 34. We have the 5 EMA is our red line, the 18 EMA is our yellow line, and the 34 EMA is our pink line. And you can see we never closed under the 34 all the way into the close of the day. So gold was bullish all day. We had numerous additional setups on the 5-minute chart to get in. We had a couple bull flags that triggered on the 5-minute chart. So if you missed the initial entry or ended up taking profit somewhere along the line, you had several additional opportunities to re-enter off of the 5-minute chart. So again, just a strong bullish day in gold futures.